Hey, this is oh, can't really put it in all there. My review on my airsoft pistol. I know it is see-through, and people usually don't like that kind of thing, but this one's not that easy to paint, really. All right, first we'll start with the clip. It's already got a weight in there, and plus here, if you ever need to take the VBs out, they come right out. Spring. And here we'll load it. Okay, I just didn't count how many I put in there, but it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 14. You might be able to get a 15th in there, but it might end up coming out here. So, yeah. And then we have the pistol itself. A lot of metal pieces to it, actually. This inside where that spring is, that's metal. The barrel inside there is metal. Metal, metal, metal. Safety's metal. Trigger's metal. This thing, which I'll show you in a second, is metal. Oh, a lot of lighting on it. This button is to eject the clip. It's also metal. This button right here, if you push this orange piece in here down, you can move that, and then you pull this metal piece right out, which allows you to take the top right off in case you want to do some modifications or something to it, which I never really needed to do. I'll just keep talking as I try and get this thing back on now. Yeah, maybe you want to put a new spring or something in there. I don't really. Jeez. Hold on. There we are. I don't have any other kind of springs to put in there. God, get down there. Oh, sorry. Finger in the way. Alright, there. Well, won't do that again. And then, yeah, so you can see it's very tough to get off and on there. Alright. Then the clip. Anyway, put in. Fits right in there. It's not coming out once you press this button. And take it right out. And it's a very cool gun. I'll show it shooting in a second. To load a BB in, move this backwards. Hard to see in there, but I just put a BB in there, so I'll keep this on safe. And, well, the BBs you want to use would probably be the 6mm. Well, I just might as well because I got 5,000. And here's my target. Just, well, I know I need to make some more targets. I'm just too lazy right now, but here, I'll show it shooting. Okay, and here's the fun part, shooting. So we get down here, and yeah, here's the gun. It's one shot. Loaded. Shot 2. I'll kind of show you what it looks like down the gun sight, so you can see. There we are. Next shot. Yes, has a problem with sometimes, you can't really see, but next, 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 and, oh, that was all of them. Alright, well, that concludes the review for this pistol, which I just can't remember the name of. Alright,